welcome back to our channel Cooking with Amma. So guys, आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ नया लाई हूँ. I have tried making a dish for the first time. All thanks to quarantine that we all are stuck up in those four walls. But let's make it a little interesting. So मैंने क्या सोचा कि I'll make the dinner today, and I'll be making some pav bhaji for my family. I really hope it turns out good because I have never made it and I'm making for the first time. And without any further ado, let's get started.
So for pav bhaji, we will be chopping some vegetables. This is a pre-preparation before the actual cooking. So let's just jump into the procedure. I'll be taking 3 carrots. I've diced them into medium size. And we'll put this into a pressure cooker. Next, we will be adding cauliflower. This is one cauliflower that I've taken, one full cauliflower. And I have taken iska flour, I have taken separately. Next up, I have added 3 potatoes. These are also diced into medium sized pieces. You can avoid adding a cauliflower just to, like, if you don't want to compromise on the color in the end. Next up, we'll be adding matar or green peas. I have added 2 cups of green peas to it. I'll be adding some water to it as per my accordance, and will be pressure cooking it for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm making the masala for this. So I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of oil. This is because इसके बाद मैं butter use करने वाली हूँ, and it is said कि if we add oil prior to butter तो butter जलता नहीं है. Next, I'll be adding 3 thin slices of butter to it. You can add more. This is how much I preferred adding, so I added it. Look at that color. Next, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and we will roast it for about a minute. Next, we will be adding onions. I have chopped 2 onions finely, and we'll be roasting it well. Bhunna is the only technique to get the right, like the perfect taste. Trying my best to get the best out of this. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next up, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Also, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of dhania powder to it and 1 tablespoon of amchur powder. Saute it well. Next up, I'll be adding tomatoes. I have taken 2 tomatoes and chopped them finely. Now saute it well. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. I'm adding a little extra because we need to add the veggies to it as well. So yeah. Next, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. And saute it well. Now I'll be adding some water to it according to my preference because I really want कि अच्छे से cook हो जाए. I added about half a cup of water. You can add more or less according to your preferences. Next, I'll be adding the boiled vegetables to it. Look at the color. I love the color it is giving. but I guess I'm gonna lack on that red color. But I'll try my best to get the best possible result. I'll be mixing it well and I'll just mash them a bit because the real taste is when it gets mashed properly. So here we go. Now I'll be adding a little more pav bhaji masala because we have added whole lot of veggies. So it was like 1 tablespoon extra and a little bit of butter to it just for that taste. Now I will let it cook for a while. Meanwhile, we will be making our pav. We will be toasting them. Nicely. I'll just apply some butter over it and under it. We'll just let it become a little golden brown. Then we will remove it from the tawa. Now it is nice and brown, so I'll just remove it from the tawa. It looks yum and smells so good. That's the struggle I faced, but that's fine. Okay, yes, we will add a little bit of coriander leaves for that garnish, and our pav bhaji is ready. I'm serving it hot, and let's hope that my parents love it. If not love it, like it. If you like our video and want us to make more such videos, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye. Happy eating.